Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to I'm Rashid and today we're hitting a full body strength workout that requires zero equipment. That's right, no weights, no machines, just you, your body and the power you bring to the mat. Before we jump into the workout, let's warm up to get the blood flowing. We've got 30 seconds for each move. Follow along. Keep your arms straight, make big circles to open up those shoulders. Drive your knees up to your chest. Stay light on your feet, core tight. Move those hips in big circles. We want to avoid any lower back strain later on. Alright, we're diving into a strength circuit that will hit your entire body. Each exercise will last for 45 seconds followed by a 15-second rest. We've got 5 moves in total and we'll go through the circuit twice. Ready? Let's do it. Start in a plank position, hands under your shoulders. Lower your chest to the floor, then push back up. If you need to modify, drop to your knees, but keep that core tight. Focus on form here. Full range of motion is key. Feet shoulder width apart, push your hips back like you're sitting in a chair. Drive through your heels to stand up. Engage your glutes at the top. Keep your chest up and knees tracking over your toes. Hold a plank position. Then tap your right hand to your left shoulder, then your left hand to your right shoulder. Keep your hips as still as possible to engage the core. Slow and controlled movements here, don't rush. Step back into a lunge, dropping your back knee toward the ground, then step back to standing. Alternate sides. Make sure that front knee stays in line with your ankle. Want to make it harder, hold that lunge for a second before stepping back up. Lie face down, lift your chest, arms and legs off the ground as if you're flying. Squeeze your lower back and glutes. Hold for a few seconds, then lower. This will strengthen your lower back, which is key for overall body stability. Great work. That's round 1 done. We've got 1 more round to go. Let's bring the energy. Here we go. Back to push-ups. Remember, it's all about quality over quantity, so keep your form strong. Keep pushing, you've got this. Feel that burn in your legs? That's your muscles getting stronger. Stay strong, stay steady. Engage your core to keep those hips from swaying. Push through that front heel. Imagine powering through each rep. Final exercise, squeeze those glutes and really lift off the ground. Awesome job everyone. Now let's cool it down and stretch out those muscles we worked. Sit back on your heels, stretch your arms out in front of you. Feel the stretch in your back and shoulders. Grab your foot and bring it toward your glute. Keep your knees together and you should feel this in your quad. Interlace your fingers behind your back. Straighten your arms and open up your chest. Perfect. After all those push-ups. That's it. A quick, effective, full body strength workout with no equipment needed. You should be feeling strong, energized, and ready to take on the rest of your day. If you like this workout, be sure to give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments how you feel. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more workouts like this. Keep lifting, keep living, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for working out with me today. Stay strong and remember, fitness is a journey, not a destination. See you soon. See.